Question number 18. A spiral is made up of successive semicircles with center alternately at A and B, starting with center at A of radii 0.5 cm, 1.0 cm, 1.5 cm, 2.0 cm, and so on, as shown in figure. What is the total length of such a spiral made up of 13 consecutive semicircles? Take pi equal to 22 upon 7. Now to start the solution of this question. Now to start the solution, radii are given 0.5 centimeter, 1.0 centimeter, 1.5 centimeter, 2.0 centimeter, and so on. Now we know that length of semicircle formula is pi r. This is the formula of length of semicircle. Therefore, the length of first semicircle pi into r. R is here 0.5 centimeter. That is 0.5 pi centimeter. Length of second semicircle pi into r. R is here 1.0 centimeter. That is 1 pi, otherwise pi centimeter. Length of third semicircle is pi. R is here 1.5 centimeter. That is 1.5 pi centimeter. Next, length of fourth semicircle equal to pi into 2.0 centimeter. That is 2 pi centimeter, and so on. These are such type of 13 semicircle. Number of semicircles denoted by n, that is given 13. Total length of semicircles to be required. Here lengths are semicircles 0.5 pi centimeter, pi centimeter, 1.5 pi centimeter, 2 pi centimeter, dot. Or here such types of 13 semicircle. Here this is AP because common difference is same. Here this is 0.5 pi. Now first term denoted by A, that is 0.5 pi centimeter. Common difference denoted by D, second term minus first term, pi centimeter minus 0.5 pi centimeter. If subtract, that is 0.5 pi centimeter. Now total length of semicircle formula is n by 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now substitute the value. N is here 13 upon 2 into A. A is 0.5 pi centimeter plus n minus 1. N is 13 minus 1 into D. D is here 0.5 pi centimeter equal to 13 upon 2 into 0.5 pi, that is 1.0 pi centimeter plus 13 minus 1, that is 12, multiply by 0.5 pi centimeter equal to 13 upon 2, this is pi centimeter, plus 12 5 ja 60, one place is decimal, that is here decimal, or here is pi centimeter. 13 upon 2 into pi centimeter, or this is 6 pi centimeter, that is 7 pi centimeter. Now 13 upon 2 into 7 into pi is given 22 upon 7, or here is centimeter, here is centimeter. 7 get be cancel, this 2 divide this 22 11 time, so 13 into 11 centimeter. 13 1 ja 13, 2 3 carry 1, 13 1 ja 13, 13 or 1 14. Therefore the total length of semicircle here is 143 centimeter.